Hello, welcome to Math Made Simple. In this session, we are going to find the value of x in the given equation. To solve this problem, the first thing we need to do is to rewrite it in this format. Log 6x minus 2. This one is to base 10 minus log 1 becomes 10 to base 10 is equal to log x minus 3 close the bracket to base 10. One thing you need to realize is that when you're given such an equation and you don't know the basis, automatically it assumes base 10, and that's why we have put base 10 here and here and here. Another thing is 1 becomes log 10 to base 10 because it resonates or responds to the principle of logarithm that states log a to base a is the same as 1. Therefore, since our base is 10, we technically take log 10 to base 10. Another important principle that we are going to apply in this particular equation is log a to base 10 minus log b to base 10 is the same as log a over b to base 10, or log a divided by log b. This applies with what we have here. So log 6x minus 2 close the bracket to base 10 minus log 10 to base 10. I'm picking the left hand side. What we have is the same as saying log 6x minus 2 divided by 10 to base 10. That's your left hand side. What about the right hand side? It doesn't change. So you are left with log 10 x minus 3. Since you have logarithms on both sides, you cancel them out. You are left with 6x minus 2 over 10 is equal to x minus 3. Multiply through by 10, you'll have 6x minus 2 is equal to 10. Open the bracket, x minus 3. This one will give you 6x minus 2 is equal to 10x minus 30. Like terms together, taking minus 30 on the other side, you'll have 30 minus 2 is equal to 10x minus 6x. Therefore, 30 minus 2 is 28 is equal to 4x. Divide both sides by 4. What you have is by 4 1 by 4 7. So the value of x is equal to 7.